Hey Duda Dojoers, I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to teach you how to add and link a button in your Duda 2.0 website. Let's get started. All right, you're on your page where you would like to add this button. Let's scroll down to the section. Let's say upgrades and replacements. All right, you're going to go to your left-hand panel. You're going to click widgets. If the button widget does not already appear, you can simply type it in, and there it is. And this is so easy, you just drag and drop. Awesome. Okay, here it is. It says new button. Let's give it a little bit of flavor. So we're going to retitle it. So in your button content, you're going to type in, let's actually say check out more with an exclamation point. All right, so now it is linking to an existing site page, homepage, but we want it to go to PCB repair. This is another internal page, so that's a perfect pathway. But let's say you want it to maybe connect to an external pathway. So you can click web address and you simply drop in the URL where you would like it to go. That means that the button, when you click on it, it's going to leave the site and go somewhere else. For now, let's keep it existing. Let's keep it on PCB repair. Perfect. All right, let's check out of there. Now, as you can see, the button is a little bit dark, but you hover and it's bright. So we're gonna go into Edit Design. On the right-hand panel, we have two buttons already in the theme settings for you. Right now it's on primary. Let's click secondary and boom, it brightens it up right away. Okay, you guys, that's it. So we're gonna check out of there, and that's how you connect and link a button.